Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is going to be another one of those days where we go to the special journals folder to do our training. Start by clicking the minimize button so that your browser goes away. You are going to need it later, so keep it available. On your desktop, find the MT Tools folder and then click Journals and then look for today's date. This year it is the 9th of January 2019, so just enter that folder. You are currently watching the 01 movie, so you may start doing movies 2 through 5. Get cracking, make sure you get your 100% before you're done following the steps, and then tomorrow you'll be ready for the big test all about copyright. Let's get going. Have a great day.
Jackson.